rayuwar VDM dai yana cikin hatsari. A yanzu da nake magana na yanzu kenan ya sauke bidiyo yake bayanin yadda ake barazanar rayuwarsa. Ana mishi barazana da rayuwarsa. Cewan wannan yarinya mitchy din nan da ɗan shugaban ƙasa Bola Ahmed Tinubu wato Sheyi wai sun yi magana da shi ga message din nan kamar yadda kuke gani, yadda ta nemi magana da makusantan shi very dark man cewa ya janye maganan da ake yi, ya gaggauta janye magana da yake yi akan shi don zai ɗauki mummunan matakin da ita ma da ta iya faɗa mata abin da zai yi sai da ta tsorata. To ga dai bayanan kamar yadda kuke gani, ku saurara ku ji da kanku daga bakin shi very dark man ɗin. Allah ya kyauta, Allah ya samu dace.
In respect to what is going on now, they are beginning to threaten my life. Sheyi Tinubu and King Mitchy are threatening my life. Yesterday night, this is a chat. King Mitchy texted Coco P, my friend, and this is part of the chat. She said, hold VDM, either we talk on the phone and settle this, I can order, cause the matter don't serious. So Sheyi just called me now to explain everything and talk to Daki, cause wetin I hear just now, when me fear, he said I should go down and suck Sheyi. Sheyi go foul. Now me know wetin he just tell me on the phone. So Sheyi told her something. Protect your bro. We can make a call and say it's settled, that we should make a call, me and her, and then she can now tell Sheyi that everything is settled. However, that thing when S talk, that thing Sheyi told her, if he no provide where I dey suck Sheyi, is so livid. That's for Coco P. Then another person again, she texted the other person that knows me very well, and this is what I'm speaking of now. She said, Sheyi talk one thing where fear me after she screenshotted her chat with Sheyi when she sent Sheyi the video. Said, then they spoke on the phone. Sheyi talk one thing where fear me. I dey fear for VDM. I no know say it go reach like this. Blood. Waiting they come for VDM now. Waiting they come for VDM from waiting I hear heavy. I won't settle everything today. Then if you go down, she say, make I try beg Sheyi. She has said it, that waiting they come for VDM. Waiting I hear heavy. So she spoke on the phone according to her with Sheyi, and Sheyi has said something, and that waiting they come for me, they very heavy. My life is being threatened. I just want to put it out there that if anything happens to me, it is King Mitchy and Sheyi. They both know what they've spoken about on the phone that make King Mitchy so scared that she wants to come and meet me so that we can arrange a settlement very quick to appease Sheyi, because Sheyi is so angry. You all know who Sheyi Tinubu is the son of the president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Sheyi Tinubu is very influential and very, very powerful. He can do and undo. He can command the IG, he can command the DIGs, he can command the DSS boss, he can command the NIA, he can command the DSS. Anything Sheyi likes, he can do. They can set me up, they can put cocaine in my bag, they can put cocaine in my office, they can put cocaine in my house and say I trade in cocaine, or I supply cocaine, or I do drugs. They can put marijuana in my bag. All of these, they can set me up. They can put money in my account and say I'm doing fraud. They can tap my phone, they can bring up a fake recording, they can even carry me, beat me up, and make me say some things and record it in a video and put it out there that I did so thing. They can tag me to terrorism. They can say I'm arranging a coup against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Sheyi Tinubu have the power to do that. And this threat is not meant to be taken lightly. Coming from Mitchy is 100%. As you all know, Mitchy always repeats it that she is close to Sheyi, and she has shown it. There are different pictures of her and Sheyi have never denied her. Sheyi has transferred her money. He has been sending her money since 2023. She also confirmed that Sheyi has sent her over 100 million, so they are very close. So anything Mitchy is saying that Sheyi said, I take it as a 100%. I didn't want to make this video when she sent that text to Coco P yesterday, but this second chat, I know something is definitely coming for me. So I want Nigerians to know that it's because I am speaking of the evil of this government. That is why Sheyi Tinubu is angry, and they want to do something. According to her, something heavy is coming. What started all of this? You're telling me you renovated a school and you are the friend to the president's son. All the public schools are becoming abandoned, dilapidated. They have killed the public schools. and you are giving somebody money to go and renovate, you cannot tell your father to do it. Things are failing. Insecurity in Nigeria. Insecurity in Nigeria. They are not happy. They are not happy with me. They've tried to bring me closer. I've refused countless times. I don't want to be part of them. I am not partisan. If PDP was in power today, this is the same way I'll be speaking against PDP if they were doing something wrong. Mind you, we will not be here today. We will not be here today if to say they do the right thing. Nigeria is a country where we get oil, we get different minerals, we get gold, we get tin, we get different mineral resources, we get lithium. They are moving lithium from here and supplying it to China, where China they build batteries, or they do electric cars and electric bikes. From Nigeria supply China lithium, and we are so backward. All of these they don't like to hear. These people are putting us in poverty. There's no good hospital for the common man. There's no good school for the common man. The police are complaining for their salary. The military are complaining for their salary. People are not living well, and you don't want to hear these things. Now you are threatening my life. Now you are threatening my life. These public schools have been hitting on it because I went to a public school. The public school I went to was already going down, but now it is worse. At least it was better then. And I will not speak when I have the platform, when I can see my ghetto kids. They don't have a better education. A lot of them are going into drugs. And you think I should not talk when I have the platform to speak. And when you listen, I will speak. Why did I create the NGO? I went to China. I saw that kids, it's all over the internet. Kids are learning handwork. We don't have that in Nigeria. The first time I tried to do it in a public school, I wanted to start creating small learning places in the public school. It took forever. I tried to get the AMAC chairman to give me that approval. He kept on dodging me. Christopher Mekalangu kept on dodging me. I was calling him. I called him. I went there. It was so nice. I didn't see him. Later, I stopped picking my calls. That's when I decided that, okay, if they don't want to do that, okay, that took a lot of time. Let me start building. Let me build a place, a learning hub. Up till now, it has been very difficult to find land. But I still try my best to do a lot of things. Do you know how many boreholes we have done? Solar standard boreholes. Some of them have not even posted. Like the one we did in Yelwata. It's not even online. I do all these things not for the acknowledgement, because this is who I am. And because I am a ghetto boy. I am a ghetto child. I am a gutter son. I understand these things. It's not about posting online to get the acknowledgement. Because it is the struggle. Who put us in this struggle? This government. At the end of the day, we are still there. The person that has been searching for land was with me. We did do them almost every day. I know how many land I don't go check. There's one they want to sell close to the airport. We go there. 150. How much did they NGO? How much did the NGO? This is why I don't even tell people to still contribute. Because I want to get the land first, but it's difficult. Now you're threatening my life because you fail to do your responsibility. If I tell them now to give me money so that I'll keep quiet and enjoy my own life, they would rather give me that than to put that money. These people would rather spend 1 billion on people to keep quiet than to use that 1 billion to make this country great. Anyways, if anything happens to me, King Mitchy and Tinubu should be held responsible. Tinubu especially, because he has the power and he has the connection. These two people, if anything ever happens to me, my family, my friends, any of them, anybody close to me, if anything happens to them, and this includes Jojo, Coco P, and any of my rattle leaders that are cleaning, if anything happens to us to get at me, it's Tinubu and Mitchy. Anything happens to them, Tinubu and Mitchy, hold them responsible. Thank you.